Welcome back to Rock and Ride Reviews. It's always great to have you here as we dive into another exciting review. And today we've got something special for all the classic motorcycle lovers out there. We're taking a closer look at a icon that has stood the test of time and continues to win hearts year after year. So, grab your helmet, settle in, and let's explore what makes this ride so legendary. The 2025 Kawasaki GTO 125 continues its legacy as a timeless favorite among motorcycle enthusiasts, blending the charm of a classic design with subtle modern touches that make it even more appealing for today's riders. As the camera rolls over its sleek lines, you can instantly notice how Kawasaki has preserved the original GTO soul while refining small details to enhance both aesthetics and durability. The body carries that unmistakable retro profile with a slim fuel tank, traditional round headlamp, and chrome accents that speak to its heritage, yet the finish and paintwork feel sharper, richer, and more premium than ever before. Walking around the bike, the attention to detail becomes more evident. The spoked wheels maintain an authentic old-school appeal, while the mudguards are built with sturdy materials to withstand daily wear. The seat design remains flat and long, offering comfortable room for both rider and pillion, with a textured cover that improves grip during rides. The exhaust retains its iconic slim shape, but it's now refined with a polished finish that resists rust and adds a bit more shine on sunny days. Even small details like indicator mounts and handlebar grips have been upgraded for better durability, without losing their vintage flair. Once you get on the bike, the cockpit greets you with a simple yet functional layout. The analog speedometer and tachometer are a nostalgic nod to the past, giving riders that pure mechanical connection you rarely find in modern bikes. The switches feel tactile and responsive, and the upright riding posture ensures that both city commutes and longer countryside rides remain comfortable. The handlebars are positioned to give you a balanced control over the machine, while the slim tank design allows for easy maneuvering in tight traffic. There's something truly special about the experience this bike offers. It's not just a ride, it's a connection to an era where motorcycles were built with soul, simplicity, and an unshakable charm. Every twist of the throttle feels like a conversation with the road. Every gear shift a reminder of the craftsmanship that went into creating it. You can feel its heritage in the way it handles, hear it in the distinct exhaust note, and see it in the timeless design that turns heads wherever it goes. On the road. The 2025 GTO 125 shines with its dependable 125cc air-cooled engine. It's tuned to deliver smooth power delivery and respectable acceleration for its class, making it ideal for daily use without compromising fuel efficiency. The gearbox shifts cleanly, and the clutch is light enough for stress-free city rides. Suspension setup strikes a nice balance between comfort and stability, soaking up bumps and uneven roads with ease. Braking performance is reliable, thanks to a well-calibrated front disc and rear drum combination, giving riders the confidence they need, whether cruising at moderate speeds or weaving through traffic. The bike remains stable, responsive, and predictable. Price-wise, the 2025 Kawasaki GTO 125 stays within an accessible range for those looking for a stylish yet practical motorcycle. Its value comes not only from its affordability but also from the low maintenance costs and the availability of spare parts, making it a smart long as the ride comes to an end. The GTO 125 leaves you with a sense of nostalgia mixed with appreciation for Kawasaki's dedication to keeping this icon alive. It's not about chasing extreme performance or futuristic designs, it's about preserving a riding experience that's pure, honest, and enjoyable. The 2025 Kawasaki GTO 125 is proof that some classics never fade. They just get better with time, and this model stands as a proud reminder of that truth. Stay tuned for more. Thanks for watching, everyone. I truly appreciate you joining me for this ride and exploring the details of this legendary machine. If you enjoyed the review, don't forget to hit that like button, share your thoughts in the comments, and subscribe for more in-depth looks at bikes that continue to inspire riders around the world.